Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you this look here. It's a bronzy, coppery, smoky eye, and believe it or not, I'm not using any eyeshadows. These are done by pencils. So if you guys would like to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned, and I would love to show you how to achieve it. Okay, so clearly I haven't been getting any sleep. I mean, check out those under eyes, right? First things first, I'm going to be going in with these Mercier Caviar eye stick pencils. These are waterproof, I believe. Well, whatever it is, they don't go anywhere once you put them on. This is in the shade Cocoa. I just make a little triangle on the outer corners, and I just use a small blending brush to blend this out. And I also apply it to the lower lash line, just the outer thirds of the lower lash line. Then as a transition color, I use this Benefit Cosmetics Hula Bronzer to kind of just transition that shade nicely so it's nice and blended. The next color I go in with is Rose Gold, and I just apply this to my lids lightly, and I blend it out with my finger, and I also apply it to the inner third of my lower lash line. Next, I go in with this Natasha Denona eyeshadow single. I got this in my Allure beauty box, I think it was, and this is like a copper color, and I just use my finger to apply this onto my eyes where I put that gold pencil. Next, I'm going in with Joa Beauty brown eyeliner. I'm using brown because I don't want it to be too harsh, and I just want to line my lash line lightly, and I use that blending brush to blend that eyeliner into the eyeshadow on the outer corner. And then I also use this eyeliner to wing out the inner corner of my eye to give the illusion of a more elongated almond shape eye. Next, I go in with my Milani Cosmetics pencil eyeliner, and I just apply this to my waterline to darken and make it more smoky. This product is really cool. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Primer, I think it's called. It's called like the Hydra Veil Primer, and I apply a little bit of this on my hands using the little spoon that it comes with. This thing is so cool because when I took that chunk out, the next day the primer goes back to being flat. It's almost like how water fills a container. That's what happens. Next, for a little extra hydration, I like to go in with a Tem2 SB primer and just apply this to my face out of habit. Really, you don't really need another primer, but I did that just out of habit. Then I go in with my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and I conceal and highlight my under eyes, my bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, as well as the edges of my lips to define my lips more. And this is the Eve Pearl 202 brush, I believe, and I just blend this out using the other side of the brush. Next, I go in with my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and a powder puff, and I just apply this to the areas that I concealed so my concealer doesn't slip around or move around, and it stays pretty well underneath my foundation. Then I just dust off all the powder. I don't really bake necessarily. I just leave it on for a quick second and I dust it all off so I can not get too dry, I guess. Next, I'm going in with my Tem2 Brilliant Glow. This is a radiant base for underneath your foundation. You guys have seen me use this a million times. And then I go in with my Perfect Canvas foundation. This is in the shade 5NW, I believe. I know it's shade 5. I just can't remember what the letters of it are. But I use this and apply it all over my face as my foundation. Going in with the shade 11 Tawny to contour my face. I absolutely love using Tem2 because it's just so easy to use. And to be completely honest, I don't have a whole lot of time to spend on my makeup. I do have a little one at home and I'm doing a million things at once. Other than being quarantined right now. Keep in mind this video was filmed back in November. But yeah, so I really like Tem2 because look how fast I just contoured my whole face. Then I go in with a pink pearl highlighter and I hit this on the high points of my cheeks, carry it into my temples, as well as the left and right side of my forehead, right above my brows. Same thing on the other side of the cheek, and then I also apply this to my chin and Cupid's bow. Then I go in with my Tem2 pale pink blush, and I just apply this to the apples of my cheeks and blend it into the contour and highlight. I filled my brows in off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo in medium brown. Next, I'm going in with my Milk Cosmetics Flex highlighter in the shade Lit, and I apply this to the bridge of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes to give it a little bit of a highlight and glow. I also apply this to my brow bone. Then I go in with my Lancome Cosmetics Mercier Big Waterproof Mascara. I am proud to say that since then I've stopped using waterproof mascara as a day-to-day mascara because it's really not that good for your lashes. These are my Lily Lashes NYC lashes. I just apply this onto my eyes because I can't do a glam look without lashes. Then I go in with my Morphe lip liner in Love Bite and my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.